Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Conversations with the Empress. I am the Empress, and today I have another exciting meal to eat for you guys. I'm going to this place called Taco Affair. Really? This really? Really? It was dead silent out here before I started walking down the street. I could cut it. I got some very interesting taco choices. I'm starving. As you can see, my eyes is bloodshot. I got the munchies, so it's seriously about to go down. So today, I have tacos from Taco Affair in Little Falls, New Jersey. I have Mexican street corn, which is one of my favorites. I love Mexican street corn. And they look like they did it right, but we're going to see. And I got some fried yuca, another one of my favorites. And my tacos, I got the jerk chicken, the horseradish steak, and black bean and corn crab fritter. So this should be interesting. I just know what I should try first. I think I'm gonna start with these yucas. I don't know what this sauce is. Okay. It's definitely different from the yuca than what I'm used to. Much better. Fried perfectly. This sauce, I can't really tell what it is. Kind of tangy. Kind of spicy. These are perfect though. Perfect. Like, you know, sometimes you get yuca and it's kind of like veiny. This is not. Much lighter. Crunchy, but still that mushiness. It's different from any other yuca I ever had. Very good though. I'd probably give this a 10 out of 10. I like that sauce. I like it. It's doing it. It's doing it. All right. I got a lot of stuff to eat, so I can't fill up on that, even though I could just sit here and eat all of that. I mean, okay, let's talk about this corn. Because I kind of want to save the tacos for last, because you know that's like the star of the show. I mean, I'm the star of the show, but that's like the second star of the show. But Mexican street corn, they put like this. I don't know if y'all ever had it before. They put like this cheese on it, but it's not no regular cheese. It kind of like doesn't really melt, and it's like butter and all this green stuff. If y'all can see, it's like cilantro. So if you don't like cilantro, you're probably not gonna like this. But they just put tons of cheese in here. Y'all see all the cheese? Yeah, I'm about to eat it for y'all. It's all charred and like, do y'all see the char? Who don't like a good char? Yes, child. They did that corn right though. The cheese got a little saltiness to it with the pop of that cilantro flavor. I love cilantro. One of my favorites. And the corn is mad sweet. Yes. That is doing it. That's like authentic Mexican street corn. Yes. 10 out of 10 on the corn. Y'all killing them in these streets. Taco affair, y'all killing them. All right, let's see what's up with these tacos. So which one should I start with? I'm going to start with the crab fritter. Just because this is the most interesting one to me. I don't know if y'all can see this, but the crab in here, let me see if I can show y'all without dropping it all on my camera. You see that right there? That's the crab fritter. It's like deep fried or something like that. You see the little corn in there, some black beans. Let's see what this is working with. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, so the crab fritter has the texture of like a crab cake. I will say that the flavor is just like a crab cake. However, I find it to be a little salty, just a little bit salty. But the combination with the beans and the corn definitely goes together. I think I'm gonna have some hot sauce because you know I need some spice in my life. It doesn't have a lot of spice at all. I'm glad I ate this one first. It's really not doing it for my soul. But, but if you like crab cake, you'll like that one. Okay, next. Oh, y'all want to know what I get that one? I'll get that one about a 7. But that could just be more because of my liking. Okay, so next up, this was a friend favorite. This horseradish and steak one. She said, you have to order that one. So, this is on her right now. If it's not good, I'm going to call her out. All right. So, this is steak and horseradish. They really stuffed these tacos too. So, you definitely get your money's worth, y'all. Ooh. Child, am I going to be able to eat it? Do y'all see all that steak in there? Yeah. Yeah, it's about to go down. Yes. That's delicious. I don't know where they got the horseradish, but you taste it really lightly. Like shredded Brussels sprouts on there. Some candy yams or some sweet potato or something. Crunchy things. That steak is good. Got like the char on the steak. You get that grill flavor from the steak. Yes, yes. I gotta put some hot sauce on though. You know, I need my hot sauce. This one is much better than that one. If I had it to do over, I wouldn't have got that one. Just be honest. But this one's winning. That one is winning. 100% winning. That one's a 10 out of 10. Child. That steak is so good. All right. Now, This is the one that needs to impress me, okay? Because everybody know I love some West Indian food. It's one of my favorites. And, you know, this needs to be done properly. She used some pineapples and peppers and that Caribbean feel all up on that. I just love to taste the pineapples and peppers together. All right, let's see what this is about. Okay. Chicken is cooked perfectly. Although I will say, jerk for me needs to be more pungent, stronger, hotter. I don't really taste that much jerk flavor, although I do like how the pineapple, peppers, and onions taste in combination on top. I just wish it had a little bit more heat. Outside of that, it's delicious. And I love pineapple on anything. I'm one of those pineapple and bacon people. Don't judge me. Some people think that's weird, but pineapple and bacon taste excellent together. Okay. So, I think that, okay, so I have to give this one, I forgot, I have to rate that too. So I'll give that jerk taco about an 8 out of 10. I'm definitely impressed with this taco place just for the simple fact they have so many options for different types of tacos. Because I only picked these 3, but there's a huge menu of all different types of tacos. Anything that's to your liking, you could probably get. I'm very impressed with this street corn. Very authentic. Full of flavor, sweetness. That cilantro and that cheese together was everything. And I'm also super impressed with these yuca fries. The texture is different than anything else I've ever had, and the sauce was excellent. So, my overall rating for Taco Affair, after trying all of this, is a 9 out of 10. Pretty good tacos. So if you're in the mood for tacos, you won't be disappointed. There's lots of choices. Go check out Taco Affair in Little Falls. Now, excuse me while I dismantle this. This corn now. Y'all don't understand how happy I am right now eating this corn. I mean, those of you who had Mexican street corn, y'all know, but Child, that steak one, that horseradish and steak. Hey yo, thanks for watching. My contact information is below. Please go like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your support is as always appreciated. If you want to show that support with them dollars though, throw your girl a Cash App, you feel me? Until we meet again, smooches.